You're so smart today. We are changing out the handles on all the cabinets. One down, a million to go. We got a little bit of snow. This is Chris, and I'm Cindy. And this is our salty dog Trooper and our salty kitty Stella. And we've got some salty tales to tell you. So make sure you continue watching and also click the subscribe button so you don't miss any in the future. So we're banging out a couple little projects today. This closet light, as I explained earlier, either in this video or a different video, it got wet and stopped working. And it was very inefficient. So we were pleased to see that this was the setup. Here we go. So we had options, but then I remembered we had the old, what do you call those, companion lights? Companion lights from the boat.
Yeah.
Because we switched everything to soft white. So we had the bright white ones, which they're not very bright, but they're just bluish white. So we were like, that could be free. So we checked it out. It will work. It's enough light for the closet. And so now we are installing that. How do you get those out now?
After I drill the hole.
Oh, that's right. The hole will be a little bigger. You're so smart today.
Just today.
I didn't mean it like that. No. I don't know what happened. I had one job, right? Your phone is very sensitive.
Not as sensitive as you.
Yeah. Ooh. Not hard enough, Chris, because you got it done. Good job, Chris. Oh, those are like extra. Do you need little fingers? Don't yank, because it might be the wires that go to that. You don't want to rip those out, buddy.
Well, there's the wires that go to that.
No, these are separate wires, aren't they? I'll shut up. Oh my God, did you all see the look he gave me? Sometimes I think, he just doesn't even care about me. Don't mind my scraggly hair, by the way. I'm gonna bring the rechargeable light.
Were you?
But I didn't, and I should have.
All right, you can take a break.
Oh, can I? Chris can. Chris can. That was from Friends. That's what it's from. Phoebe sang.
Oh, yeah.
Ross can. I think she sang. Oh, it's probably a good thing you're doing that instead of me. I don't have the hand strength. And there's nothing to use as leverage. Woohoo! Say it, Chris. I'm great.
You are great. Where's the drill tip?
I don't know. Wherever you just put it. You took the drill and put that on it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Did you find it?
Oh, yeah.
Was it right where you put it?
Yeah. See, Your Honor.
I'm messing with him. So, when Chris and I got together, he did not sign up for this nonsense. I was all perfect and quiet and, just this little innocent, nice girl. And now I'm obnoxious and crazy.
What are you saying?
You didn't sign on for me. You thought you married somebody else. But I thought I married this nice man who just worked hard and respected others, and I didn't know I married a party animal. Good job, Chris. It looks good. Another project we're doing is we are going to update a little bit, like just little updates in the boat. So we decided we are changing out the handles on all the cabinets. So we have these lovely handles, which is, they're fine, but we just want the boat to look a little more modern. So we're gonna take them all out. Uh-oh. This is not gonna be easy on the drawers. We have to take the front face off and then unscrew the handles. So it's fantastic. But this is what we're putting on. Nice. One down, a million to go. We're just gonna finish up these cabinets and drawers, and then we were gonna do the fuel thing, float, whatever the hell. What is it?
Cylinders.
Fuel sending units. Hey now. So we finished the handles after dark. We were actually working by flashlight. So I was like, I'll come back during the day and I'll show you guys how amazing they look. So that looks so much better. And then the chrome with the chrome grab rail, that looks so good. And then coming out into the galley. Amazing. It's amazing like how updated the boat looks now. But don't worry. You're probably all saying, but now the wood trim on the sides looks a little, We've got a plan. Let me finish here. Chrome. I think where it really shows is in the bathrooms. It just looks good. So little affordable projects. So these handles were originally $8 a piece, but there was somebody that had bought them and installed them and then decided they didn't love them. And they were selling them on Facebook Marketplace. So I got them for 50 cents a piece, which is so crazy. And I got 30 of them. So we have extra just in case, because we do plan on doing a couple more projects. So with that being said, we're just banging out a couple other little things. So we used to have these lights that were installed in here, which is our stateroom. And they were back here. You can see where the wiring is, and they hung down like this. And we would knock into them non-stop. And they just drove us nuts, and we don't need them because we already have movable lights there and there and there. And we actually discovered that instead of sleeping with our heads there and having them like up against each other, we sleep this way now. It's just more comfortable. I get up a lot during the night, and then Trooper does his thing like at the foot. So it's more comfortable, even though it's kind of shorter. We sleep like kind of lengthwise. So we each have a light here. So I cut those out because they were just nonstop getting whacked, and they weren't installed very well. Like, I mean, I'm sure at one point they were installed well, but the screws were all loose. They were just hanging. Really nice lights, but we'll probably just get rid of those. And then Chris is working on, he took the vents off the side of the boat, and he's inspecting the sending units. Right, buddy? Mm-hmm. Because our fuel gauges weren't working. And he did discover that one of them had a connection that was not connected. So that would in turn create a problem. And then the other one had like some muck on it. So he's getting those connections cleaned up and reconnected, correct?
Yep.
And hopefully come spring they'll work. But the vents on the sides, all the paint was peeling off. So we're gonna bring those home and remove all that old paint and prime them properly and repaint them. You know, just little projects like I mean, none of this is like hard stuff, but it's just, it built up. So I'm kind of excited that we have this period of time where we're looking to do projects that don't cost a lot of money. Chris is in the engine bay because he is removing the air filters because he had a hunch that they were mucky. And let me show you. He was right. Did you get it? Mm-hmm. Nice job. That's probably not the best place. There, haha. What's that one look like?
Not quite as bad, but about the same.
Actually, good job, Chris. Ew. You're right.
Probably double back up.
Yeah. I'll put it in a reusable bag. That way the plastic covers the muck, but then it's sturdier. Okay? Mm. He, sometimes he just, that's what I get. Oh. We got a little bit of snow. It was about 10 inches, but it happened in like 3 hours. It was crazy. So we are just checking on the boat to make sure that it's all good. Oh my God, this is like, it's a lot of snow. Ooh. Thankfully it's fluffy. But we're gonna get rain tonight, so we didn't want any additional weight on the top. And we already know everybody's gonna say, you should have shrink wrapped your boat, but we didn't. The end. Typically, in past years, we've tarped our boats, and it works out really good. We just didn't. So there. I don't have an answer for you. Oh, this is nuts. Why didn't I bring a broom? This is slippery. Look. There we go. Oh, it's so pretty though. I guess snow boots aren't good traction in a boat.
No.
Oh, look at the repairs I get to do. Oh, darn it. So here's the dealio. We were really hoping that I would have a job so we could design and install the solar top. We wanted to do it last year. We didn't get to it. We were going to do it this year. I was out of work. 7 months later, I'm still out of work. So yeah, it's not happening. So now we have to try to make this canvas work. And this isn't good. I mean, it's a mess. It's pretty bad. So we'll do what we can, right? That's all we can do. He's using a roof scraper. It's working. It's just hard because it's packing the snow as he's doing it. He's getting it though, slowly but surely. I don't know whose stuff that is, but all right then. We could have used this ladder.
Yeah, not really.
Nah.
Setting up a ladder in the back of that cockpit is a recipe for death.
No, I meant on the sides. No?
No,
Oh.
it's gonna get like way up there. That's like freaking 25, 30 feet in the air. It's a big
Whoa.
downfall of a big flybridge. It's tall.
And this isn't even as tall as a lot of them. Whoever that is, that's smart. That's a nice cover.
Yeah.
Shit just drops off the side.
Yeah, it's like $10,000, but yeah.
Yeah, but once you're in there, you can like do work and stuff. That's kind of
Well,
nice.
that replaces a
Yeah,
shrink
shrink
wrap.
wrap. Yeah, it's reusable.
Yeah.
But it's like better than shrink wrap because it's like a tent. I like it. Boat number 2. Hmm?
I didn't say anything.
It sounded like it, buddy.
You're always hearing things.
I know. I hear voices.
Oh yeah.
You have snow in your beard.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, goodness.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.